Okay, if you have your kit ready, let's get it out and check out all the parts. Put the envelope to the side. I will say one thing. I left one element out of this kit for a very good reason. I had the white layer, piece of foam behind the white layer, which meant there were 3 pieces of foam in this kit, and that made it just a little bit too thick. So then we run into the mailing problem of it being a 1/4 of an inch or more, and then you have to pay extra and all that. And I'm finding out that they're really, really getting sticky about that. And the other thing is, if you took this card and put it in a padded envelope, according to my post office anyway, it costs $4.90. I mean, that is absolutely insane. Totally, completely insane. And something else you might want to know, just for future reference, I mailed a card in a padded envelope. Actually, it was heavier than the normal. It was like 4 ounces or something. It was probably several cards. Anyway, the deal was that I put stamps on it. I had some $2 stamps, and I put it in the mailbox to be picked up by my postal carrier. And guess what? That does not work anymore. You cannot put stamps on a package or a packet. It has to be handed over the counter to the post office lady or man. So you just might want to know that and keep track of that in the back of your head or something. Let's just say I was not happy. Okay, so anyway, we've got this piece here without the foam in the back. We have this particular shape from the Stitched So Sweetly dies. You've got your Whisper White, and you've got your foam that goes behind it. You have your label in Whisper White with the foam that goes behind it, and also that goes behind it is a piece of Mossy Meadow, like so, to kind of frame it out. You've got your Pear Pizzazz layer and your Whisper White card base. Oh, details, the embellishments. We have this leaf again, the one I said I like, and I really do like it a lot. Some vellum, if you can see it in the camera, I don't know, in that same shape. They're going to go kind of right next to each other. This guy right here, you can use wherever you like, however you like. I cut it in half and used, well, you'll see when we get to it, but I used it to embellish around this piece, top and bottom. So there you are. Okay, so I'm going to set some of this stuff to the side because I've got way too much in my way. Okay, let's just go ahead and attach our card base by Mara layer to the card base and get that done. I don't think I have to tell you again, 1/8 inch reveal. And then I see no reason in the world that we can't go ahead and attach the embellished piece. We're going to call it our artwork. This has about a 1/4 inch reveal all the way around. Need to peek at this myself. Okay, about halfway. I don't usually put things halfway, but I guess I did this time. So let's go ahead and attach your Whisper White to the foam. And then put some adhesive behind the foam and put it approximately in the center of the card. I'd say down just a little bit from the center. Oh, wait, we can't do this yet. We have to put our ribbon on. Actually, all you're going to do is just put a little piece of tape right in the center of it, where this ribbon's going to kind of be free floating. So let's see, put it about in here, I would say. Oh no, it's way too low. Okay, about like that. Are we too low? Oh yeah, we are. I'm sorry, I can't tell upside down. It just doesn't work for me. All right. There, we'll try that. Not much different. Okay. Okay, there we go. All right, your greenery. Oh, we're gonna slip it behind the Stitch So Sweetly layer, and we're going to put a little bit of vellum behind there with it. Okay. See what you got going. Let's go ahead and get our label together, or greeting, I guess I should say, or greeting label. Lay that on the foam. Oops. And if you'd like to, you could probably make it even. Or not. Sometimes the foam stretches enough that you actually have to trim it. And that's what I'm going to have to do right now, because that's what's going on. Okay. Now the mossy meadow backing, you can put that right behind the foam if you wanted to. That'd be okay. And then put some tape right about in the center of it. Not a whole lot, because you're going to be, again, stuffing some pieces behind there, I think. I see what I did wrong. Okay. These guys go behind there, not behind the big piece of label. Okay, and again, guys, glue dots. Glue dots are your friend. Remember, put your vellum on top. I just cannot do this upside down, I'm sorry. Just like I can't use my left hand. It's probably about the same thing. Okay, and then this one, I put a piece of it just over, okay, cut it in half like I said, and put a piece of it in here, and the other piece on the bottom side, like so. Like I said, your ribbon remains free floating. You can trim it off even with the edge of your card, or leave it just a hair longer. It's kind of cool if you do that, I think. I'm gonna hope I can hold this up and you can see what we've got here. What do you think, huh? I really like this card. I think it is, I don't know if it's my favorite or not, but it's doggone close. Close enough that I would be pleased to send this card to anyone. And I like the little expression too. I do believe that I included in your kit an extra label that you could stamp happy birthday or whatever you might want on it. So anyway, guys, that is all there is to this card. I hope you have fun with it, arranging and rearranging whatever places you want to put the leaves in, however pleases your eye. That's what it's all about, you know. Trust your judgment to what is appealing to you and do it that way. Okay, love you. I'll see you in a minute for card number 4.